Now come back. Turn around. Huh? You went all the way there and back on the little motorcycle, didn't you? What are you doing? Need some help moving it through? Oops.
I know.
Oh, okay, sorry. You do it. Where does it go? Red light and green light? And back? Yeah, you can come back. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light and go. Uh-oh. You hit me. Do you have the proper insurance?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see your card.
No.
You don't have an insurance card?
Down a wobble.
You see the wheels going, what? Bye-bye. Can you go in the grass a little? Show me how you can go in the grass. It's a little harder, huh? You farted? Okay. Do you have to go poo-poo? Should we go in the potty? Should we go poo-poo in the potty, honey? Are you sure? Okay. Come this way. Okay.